Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing great. First of all, if you don't subscribe to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an unboxing and installation and a review of a new Wi-Fi extender that I have bought into my home. I am using it for the past 2 weeks and it's really helpful for me in my home, and it gives a good range of Wi-Fi to my whole house. That's a great thing because in my router, while the router that I'm using is not getting range to the up to my whole house, so I tried to going through the internet reviews and got this one. You can pause and see the descriptions of it. It's a TP-Link router N300. It has a dual antenna inside it, and tell you about the packing. Always say Amazon. From I bought it from Amazon. It's really good packing they have, and the box is a sealed one, so you can see the unboxing of it. Inside the router, which I was, this is a only affordable router. You can, it's not a router, it's a affordable Wi-Fi extender. It can access and use an access point to an existing Wi-Fi connections, which is very useful nowadays. So while opening the box, you can see the quick installation guide, which is easy and simple to understand for us. And you can have the what to say, how to install the app and how to place the access point. Everything they have described is clearly. You can install the app by scanning the QR code given, or you can directly go to the Play Store app store, install the Tether app by the TP-Link. So that's easy to install. That I will show you in the on the way. And you can see the access point or the Wi-Fi range. It's quite simple and it's really handy, and the advantage is that it does not have wires. You can directly connect to the power, and you can also directly connect a what to say, a cable, network cable, and you can access as a Wi-Fi point also. You can directly connect it to the 3-pin socket. That's easy, and you can see that how it can be connected and everything. It's easy to connect. You can see, so you just need a power and it's on. Now I'm going to connect it to a power slot. After turning it on, you can see two LED bulbs are glowing up. So one is the power. Next one, when the power blinks up, that means that the router is turning on, or the access point is turning on. And the second link is that it means that it is going to be get connected. So it's not, now it is not configured. So we can see how it can be configured with the simple. And it's one thing I need to tell you, that it's very easy to connect. And one thing you need to know is the basic how to install an application in your phone, and just open it. That's it. So I go for the online Play Store and install the Tether app. By, you need to choose the TP-Link Tether app. Instead of, if you're searching for a difficulty, you can scan the QR code from directly from your Kickstarter guide given and open the app. It's very easy. Open the app and it will show welcome. You need to create an account here. That is really free for you. Just click on the create TP-Link IP and accept the terms and conditions. Enter your email that you wish. After signing up, you can see no devices found. Click on the add device and you need to choose range extender there. So ensure that you have plugged in. That I have already done. And we need to give the access to the location so that it will be easy locate you and give you the best. Then next, and it will be searching for the extender, and it will ask whether it is ready to connect with the device. So before going to the device, I was rechecking the power is turned on or not, and the LED says, and you can see the power is on. So I click on the tab and it will get connected, searching for the extender. It may take some time, but not that much time for it. So you can see it is searching for it, and you can see it is getting connected. And you need to create a small password that you need to remember while logging to the device. You will be used to need to use this password. Next, choose the Wi-Fi, which has to be extended. I click on my Wi-Fi and enter the password of my Wi-Fi, means my Wi-Fi router connectivity password. So after entering the password, it will automatically create a new access point. So here I have given it under ext, and after the entering the password, I'll just click on the apply changes. So the applying the settings will take some time because you are going to extend your connecting, that is you are extending your existing Wi-Fi to a boosting. That is a legal boosting, means it is enhanced to use your signals. So in your home you can either choose a signal which has the maximum strength, signal strength. So that is, you need to get the best speed, you need good signal strength. That's why I'm purchased this. You can see the settings is getting applied. This what does is it will extend your existing Wi-Fi access point to any with the same access point. You can use the same access point name or a different name as you wish. Then it will be easy to apply for it. And so whenever your guests just come, you can tell them just connect to this. And you can also, there is advantage of this app is that from the app you can just take a QR code, you can print it or show it to your guest and tell them to connect. And next you can see that confirm the location whether the access point is made, and click, and your configuration is completed with a password and everything, and it will get connected automatically. So that's all. You can close this app, it's easily simple. You can close the app. So that's it. So then while I was testing in my home, when in my room, M home is my Wi-Fi and M home extension is the new access point that is using TP-Link. It shows better strength because it is in my second room of my home, where M home is connected is in the another home. So hope you all like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.